Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Wig Encounters. Shout out to you, Wig Encounters, for sending me this unit. Right here, I am showing you guys what all came in the packaging. And honey, here we have the wig. So obviously this unit is a braided wig. It is 24 inches long. The lace color is light brown. And it says it has 4-inch parting space lace front braided wig. Like that's what they have on there for the cap construction. If I'm not mistaken, this wig does not come with a comb in the back. So keep that in mind. It does come with 3 combs in the front, and it does also have adjustable straps. And as you guys can see, it does have baby hairs. And yeah, the rest is basically gonna be the same old, same old. I'm gonna go ahead and style this unit. If you are interested in any more details and specs and other good stuff about it, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Wig Encounters. Shout out to you, Wig Encounters, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. This particular unit is their lace front wig, long box braid wig, BBW, yeah, 007. It's 24 inches long, light brown lace color, and the hair color is in natural black. And that is basically all the details that I have on this unit. Like, I don't see any other details whatsoever about it. With this particular wig, it did come with, if I'm not mistaken, 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And is that basically it as far as that goes? You do have the lace, obviously, like in this general area. Like when it comes to braided wigs, you basically always gonna have some lace, girl, because otherwise it's gonna be looking kind of crazy in the front. So yeah, there was lace here. I don't remember, I don't even know what to call the lace, and they don't have it on there. I don't want to say it's 13 by 4. I don't want to say any of that. But there is lace, girl. You know what? Whatever lace you saw at the beginning, that's the lace that they got. And yeah, as far as cap construction goes, it's really just not a whole lot that I can say about a braided wig. Now, as far as the back, I am going to show you the back when I do the end, when I do the outro. When I do that part and I give you guys the full 360, I'm going to show you the back and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I want to say that in the back, there's like track hair. There are not like individual, like, this is not like a full lace wig or whatsoever. It's like tracks. So you do have to be careful with that. And I do want to mention with this unit, it does still have those ends that I am just not accustomed to. I am not used to these type of ends. Let me know down below if you are. I did see where somebody told me that I can just like put them in some hot water, and I was going to do that with the other unit, and I haven't had a chance to do that yet, but I am going to try that. But yeah, these are the type of ends that this particular wig has. I am going to stand up and just give you guys a full length check right quick while I'm doing this particular part. Okay, so keep in mind that I am 5'4". This is all of the hair brought to the front on me. I'm 5'4", so I'm not a very, very tall person. So just keep that in mind. So this is all of the hair brought to the front on me. And this is what the hair looks like in the back on me. And I always like to stress, I hope you guys can hear me. I always like to stress on me because I am 5'4", and I always say my height. I don't know if that throws some people off, like, why are you mentioning your height? What does it matter? It does matter because not the longer you are, honey, the taller you are or the shorter you are is gonna, you know, depend on how your wig, where your wig is gonna stop. So if you're taller than me, your wig is gonna be shorter than it is on me, and vice versa. You know what I mean? So just keep that in mind. My height, your height, just always add that. Child, come on now. I don't know if you got to be glue or edge control, but honey, yeah, you already know, girl. That the wig didn't come like that. That's me. So yeah, let me, if you are interested in how I feel about this wig, as well as what all I did to this unit, then please continue to watch. So if you're wondering like how I feel about this unit, honestly, I really like it. This is my favorite type of braided wig. Like, I like for it to have the little cornrows in the front and the little plaits in the back. Like, I love this type of braided wig. It's just like one of my go-tos. Like, I every time I get one, it doesn't matter who is by, I love these type of units. Now, what I will say is I have the same issue with it that I've had with other units like this. I would prefer it as a full lace wig. I would prefer the back to be plaits. Like, I know that can be time consuming or whatever, girl, but I do prefer these type of wigs to have plaits in the back, and I feel like it gives a more natural appearance. With these type of wigs, you do have to be really worried about the back showing, and the back showing your track, girl. Nobody wants to see, like, that is like black girl one-on-one, honey. Your track is not supposed to be showing, okay? And with these type of wigs, you do have to be worried about your track showing, and I will show you guys the back so you can see what I mean. But other than that, I really like the wig. I think it is cute. It's just like one of those easy slays. The other thing is the ends, but like I said, somebody did tell me like that's an easy fix, so I'm not really worried about the ends like I was in a previous review. But yeah, so the back is it. The back is my only issue. And if you see my eyes darting, y'all, I'm still getting used to looking at the lens, so just bear with me. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. I do want to also mention that I did cut off 2 of the braids on the side to make the wig fit me. So you can do that as well. Like, if it doesn't fit, just cut them braids off, girl. You can cut it off and make it fit you because you don't want your ears to be bended. And I've always had that issue with braided wigs, and I'd be scared to just cut off the ends of the braids. Like when it came to the braids, I was like, oh my God, I don't want to do it. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to give it a shot. So I did do it with this particular unit. And yeah, just cut them off, honey. Cut them off and make them fit you, girl. Okay? So keep that in mind as well. And yeah, that's it, y'all. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Do you feel like it's a look? Are you feeling it? If you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.